Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to update Nissan Altima navigation system step by step. Insert a USB with the official update files into your computer, copy the extracted update folder to the root directory, safely eject the USB, then place it in the car's USB port while the vehicle is parked and the ignition is on. Follow on-screen prompts to begin installation and do not interrupt power during the update process. Prepare the car by switching accessory power on and ensuring the battery is charged or using a maintainer. Insert the USB and navigate to settings, then select the navigation update option and follow prompts. The system will copy files and install maps automatically. This can take 20 to 45 minutes. Avoid starting the engine or powering off the unit. When the display confirms completion, remove the USB and reboot the system to verify new maps. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, I use a pair of high-quality socks that feel great after long drives, and they come with a lifetime warranty to match reliable car upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want that comfy sock hookup, please take a look. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter errors, stay calm and retry with a freshly formatted USB and a verified download. Check that the files match your car's region and that the firmware is current. Mismatches often cause failures. If prompts indicate corrupted data, re-download and confirm checksums, then repeat installation. For persistent problems, contact a dealer or consult owner forums for your model's navigation behavior. Keep notes of error codes to speed support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.